Difficulties in your life do not come to destroy you, but to help you realize your hidden potential and power. Let difficulties know that you too are difficult. डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम. बुक टाइटल अपरिमित संभावनाओं का आगार मानवी व्यक्तित्व. ओशन ऑफ लिमिटलेस पॉसिबिलिटीज ह्यूमन बीइंग्स. Human beings are living gods who have forgotten themselves. Human being is essentially a living god but has lost her or his way. If shown the right path by which her or his divinity, which has so far remained dormant, can be awakened and developed, she or he would be surprised to know that her or his persona is actually equipped with so much power that has potential to make anything possible. The bitter irony is that humans are not aware about the treasure of dormant power they already have within them and therefore live life ordinarily amidst everyday struggles. How can we return to being the powerful entity we are? Humans can turn themselves into a powerful entity if they truly wish to do so. The power of thoughts is immense. Visible aspects of our personality take shape from the kind of thoughts we equip our inner being with. Positive and creative thinking has immense capability in building up the personality, whereas negative thinking can make even a talented person go downhill. Do you want to take the path of worthy thinking? Our inner being is equipped with tender feelings which can guide our mind towards worthy thinking. This will in turn similarly nurture and elevate our nature, actions, character and conduct. This book sheds light on many practical ways to make progress in our day-to-day life. Few formula for success. Win or success or loss or failure is largely decided in the mind. If a person learns not to get agitated, not to lose hope, and not to give in to negative thinking over trivial matters, she or he would stop suffering repeated failures in life. The journey to excel in life starts from within. We need to pose a question of what am I to our own self and seek its correct answer. This will also give us the glimpse of indispensable divine assets we possess but were largely unaware about so far. How will this book help? Just as any equipment that comes with a manual to help us to make proper use of it and improve its longevity, this book also serves as an indispensable manual for the priceless human life to make the most of it, to make it worthy and outstanding, and to achieve the goal of life. Excerpts from the book. O human, you are great. You have in fact inherited countless heavenly divine powers and not the hellish sufferings. Heaven belongs to you. It is your birthright to have power. All you need to do is to enter heaven and reclaim the powers. Heaven means happiness and nothing but happiness. Constant peace, constant piety, constant contentment. Listen to me and accept that you are the child of God. Lo and behold, you will instantly become the owner of all the things that your father possesses. A child definitely inherits the qualities of his father. Being the child of God, you will become the owner of all his infinite powers and divine assets. You will become the owner of God's infinite fortune. Human is the most powerful creature among all and is best equipped with divine powers and limitless achievements. The first and foremost among them are intellect and knowledge, which made humans the ruler of all living beings. Human being is an aggregate of all powers. God has created human beings as his replica and thus equipped the body, mind and soul with the best knowledge. I can do is the mantra of success and victory. It will use and engage all productive powers of the body, mind and soul to be able to fulfill the aim. Thinking that I cannot do is the recipe of failure. It will make all powers drain away. 6 basic precepts to make the most of life are: first, set the goal of life. Second, learn to have patience. Third, relieve your past worries. Fourth, stop living in the past. Fifth, learn to look at the brighter side. And sixth, repeatedly ponder on and seek the answer to the most important question of life, which is, what am I? Some auto-suggestion mantras are: I am the hub of talents and powers. I am the hub of thoughts and powers. My world is revolving around me. I am the entity that is distinct from the body. I am indestructible and can never ever be destroyed. I am eternal and can never ever be damaged. Few topics covered in book are: human being is a lost deity. Oh human, you are capable of doing anything. What am I? Give priority to your soul, not to your mind. Develop the art of right thinking. 3 essential tools for success: ambition, physical and mental endurance, and hard-working nature. Get ready to move forward. You will win if you have already won in your mind. You will lose if you have already lost in your mind. If we change, the world will change. Self-development through self-suggestions. How to make life excellent and worthwhile. Purpose, form, and proper utilization of human life.